Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 71 Ford F100, kind of a neat old original truck. Came off an estate sale, been sitting for years. The last time it was plated was in '96, so that was 28 years ago. Missing a chunk of the grill, which is just a screw-in deal, so that's easily put in. Got the patina on the hood, of course. Does got some rust, but a pretty solid old truck. Mismatched hubcaps on it. There you can see the worst rust by all means is right there and in the front of the door. Back corner of the door. Floor looks pretty solid. Got a little bit on that A-pillar from the crud sitting in there, you can see, so guys want to get that cleaned out. There's still a VIN tag, and the VIN tag on the door is still there. Seats original, got a little tear in it here. Kind of cool about this, it's a V8 3 on the tree. So, a lot of you probably don't know how to drive a 3 on the tree, but they're kind of cool trucks. So, original mat, like I said, a lot of originality in this truck. And the box is pretty clean. It really doesn't have any major rust on it anywhere, I don't think. Inside of the box, pretty good. Little bit there, same deal, crud on that cross member. Got a little bit, some pinholes there. Tailgate's pretty decent. An old Laverne bumper. There's a company up here that makes bumpers in our part of the country. Like I said, the box is in really good shape. As is most of the cab. I mean, the doors, this door is a little better. It's got a pinhole up front, and then this fender's a little better too, but it's getting a little rust in there. So, pretty solid old truck. We're putting in a new gas tank and fuel sender. We're doing some brake work on it. Just got it in, so going to be a pretty decent old truck. Got older gas in it right now. But we're going to put that new fuel tank in and should go down the road nice. 605-695-7391.